Do you want to accurately capture waveforms? Do you want to generate simulation signals? You can now do that with a single device. Introducing the Hioki MR8847A Memory Highcorder, designed in pursuit of testing efficiency. Use the powerful device to generate signals while monitoring waveforms. Select from a large variety of input modules to suit your application. Mix and match up to 8 modules. The arbitrary waveform unit can generate 2 channels of signals. Use all 8 available slots to output as many as 16 channels of signals. Even without an amplifier, you can output up to 15 volts. Generate signals to a PCB and then record the output with a single device. Save the recorded waveform, vary the frequency condition, and then output and monitor the waveform simultaneously, greatly improving work efficiency. The programming function lets you connect multiple waveforms. The pattern of different operating signals used for proving tests can be output one after another. You can also efficiently conduct durability tests and quality inspections. The Hioki MR8847A Memory Highcorder combines waveform monitoring and signal generating technologies into one powerful device. Learn more about the MR8847A Memory Highcorder at www.hioki.com.